today. Welcome to the Study Point channel. We are going to do chapter 2, class 7th, acid, base and neutral. Okay. So, first we will learn about it is a chemistry topic. Okay. First we will learn about the what is the golden rule of the chemistry labs. Okay. What is the golden rule? We classify everyday food by taste in the kitchen. Okay, as lemon are sour, then curd is sour, baking soda is bitter, salt is neutral. But in the laboratory, tasting or touching unknown chemicals is dangerous. Don't taste, test. Corrosive substance may burn skin or tissues. Okay. Now we will learn about see in the first chapter what is mentioned here first. Sorry. What is mentioned here? Acid and base. So these are the two rivals, no rivers. So we will get to know these rivers. Okay. Okay. The two rival factions, acid and bases. So first let us start from acid. Its origin is from Latin word named as acidus. Okay. It is a sour things. Taste sour, touch corrosive or burning, and chemistry releases hydrogen ions in water. Everyday example: hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, sulfuric acid, etc. Now bases origin is from alkalines, we call them. Okay. Arabic word ashes. No, remove this. Okay, just remove this. That is not. Okay. Taste is bitter, touches soapy, slippery. Chemistry releases OH minus ions in water. Okay. And everyday example are sodium hydroxide for making soap, calcium hydroxide for making lime water, and magnesium hydroxide for making the milk of magnesium. Now, the chemical detectives, and how will we actually know? So first we will take an unknown substance. This is an indicator. We will read about indicator first. Okay, I will show you the slide afterwards. First, indicator. Where is an indicator? Wait, I think we don't have indicators in our. Wait. Acha. Okay. Indicators is mentioned here only. Indicators are the detectives, special substance that change color or sound or smell also it should come in acidic and basic mediums. Okay. So I will teach about many of the, you can say, indicators. Now neutral one will be acidic detect and second will be base detect. Most of the indicators do this detect. Base detected. Okay. Now moving on to the next. First one is litmus test. Okay. Origin, it is an natural It is a natural dye extracted from lichens. In distilled water, it remains as a neutral purple. Mava, you can say mava also, and purple. Okay. The litmus test we will do for the acidic reaction and the base reaction. This water is kept it in the not see here it is mentioned that the water is blue, violet. So we make this water react with acidic and basic solutions. So from the basic we get blue litmus, and from the acidic reaction we get red litmus. Okay, we can use them for another observations. Okay. Okay, so base reaction, red will turn to blue, and here blue will turn to red. Okay. Now moving on to the next, which is, so as I have mentioned that only some indicators, like most of the indicators change in basic solution. So the example is turmeric stain. It is known as the golden spice because it is a powerful natural indicator, but it has a blind spot. What is that blind spot? Blind spot is that it can't understand it is neutral or acidic. See, if you have a person who is not good friend of yours, but your friend is a good friend of him. Okay, turmeric is a person whose you are not a good, you are base. Okay, and base is not good friend, but acid is a good friend of turmeric. So when acid touches turmeric, doesn't happen, no reaction happens, and it is okay. But if not a friend person touches him, it will be like, why did you touch me? And he changes his color to red. Okay, this is a small simple story for remembering. Okay, turmeric only detects bases, as I told you. It can't tell the difference between an acid and a neutral substance because both are his friends. So now you have two friends. If both touches you, you will have no problem. But a person who is not your friend touches you, you will have problem. Okay. Now moving on to the next slide, which is about China rose spectatum. Now there is a mistake in this slide. Okay, this slide's mistake is here it should come green. Children, remember, it doesn't changes to blue. Okay, what can I do more? I can't fill it like this. Okay, same happens with a red rose extract. In the textbook it is written red rose, no? Remember it. Okay, red rose और China rose में कोई difference नहीं होता. When they work as an indicator, they work same. Okay, when it is extract is put in the warm water, it turns to pinkish color, and when the pinkish color only. Okay, now another brilliant story, okay, about roses family. It means China rose, red rose. Okay, now they have no permanent friend. They will have a temporary friend and a person who is not their friend. Okay, so temporary friend is acidic and note their friend as basic. So now, if a temporary friend touches you, you become a little bit angry, then you are okay. So its color was this now. It is little bit angry and turns to red. But it is very angry with a person who is not his friend and touches him. Then it will turn to green. He will be like, why did you touch me? Yes, same happens with us. Same happens too. So remember, the China rose is twos and the turmeric rose is twos. Turmeric will turn to red. I think so, red only. Red, yes, red. Red is there, no? But it will turn to green in the basic solution and red in the acidic solution. Now, we will find very different indicators now. Okay, these all were the natural indicators which we get from our day-to-day life. Okay, indicators has two parts: natural and synthetic indicators. So this was a natural indicator, this was also a natural indicator, this is also a natural indicator. Now, but these are not natural. Olfactory means who changes its smell. I added one word, no, change its smells. So it is olfactory. Okay, we will read. Now first reading about synthetic indicators. One of them is phenolphthalein and another is methyl orange. I have just written about phenolphthalein. Okay. A synthetic indicator used in labs remains colorless in acidic and neutral solutions but turn bright pink in basic solutions. Acid and neutral, colorless, and base pink. Now same happens with him also. The same turmeric story happened with him. That he is good friend of acid also. But when the base, his not friend touches him, he's like, I will give you punch. So he changes his color. Okay. Just a simple story for the understanding. Okay. Now moving to the olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators for situations where color changes can't be seen. Like if you are blindfolded and you are said that which is this substance, you are given an onion in your hands, you will dip that onion first in that substance, smell it, or vanilla essence you can also get. Changes cannot be seen. Substances like onion extract changes their smell entirely when exposed to acid or base. Okay. Now there is a crash. Till now we had read differently. Okay, acid is different, base is different. But now when they mix, as you know, when a good friend and a bad friend mix, unknown person to mix, so first heat will release no angriness, that why did he touch me, why did he irritate me. But then you will turn into normal people. Yes. So now acid plus base equals to salt plus water. So heat is also raised. Okay, heat is always evolved during this process. The resulting salt can be acidic, basic, or perfectly neutral depending on the strength of the input. Okay, if like दुश्मन ज़्यादा हैं, कम दोस्त हैं, so there will be acidic. No, acid are more. It means that unknown are more. Okay, it will be acidic. If known are more and unknown are less, then known will be more, leading to a basic salt. And if they are perfectly same, then it will be neutral. Okay, neutral. Now moving on to the next. Ambashri, from this only, this starting thing, the chapter was started. Do you remember there was a science fair? Yes or no? So the mystery detected. What is the step one? The paper. The blank paper was pre-coated with an invisible layer of turmeric paste. Indicator. This is just like type you can explain, but it is a little bit wrong. Okay. The clear liquid in the spray bottle was actually soap solution base. The result, when the base hits the turmeric, it triggers a chemical change, turning the invisible message deep red. Okay, red का तो पता ही होगा. Now, problem cure mapping the human body. Indigestion, cause of this is a man's photo. Sorry. Now, indigestion cause excessive hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Okay. Cure will be milk of magnesia, contains magnesium hydroxide, a base which neutralizes the acid, and the ant bite cause the ant injects formic acid into the skin, causing pain. Then the cure will be rubbing moist baking soda or calamine solution zinc to neutralize the acidic venom. Problem curing mapping. Same it is. Okay. The human body के बारे में पढ़ा. Now we will learn about agriculture. Agriculture. What's the time? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. Okay. And today is I think so 10 July it is. Okay. Now, root problem: excessive chemical fertilizers ruin soil pH, preventing soil plant growth. Now, if it is too acidic, we can put quicklime or snake lime, and if it is too basic, we can put organic compost or manure. Okay, half a second. If you need to read, you can read. Only 10 seconds will be granted. Thank you. I think you have read. Now moving on to the next. Problem curing mapping the environment. We have learned about two. Okay. Acid rain, carbon dioxide, sulfur diode, and the nitrogen dioxide mix with clouds to form carbonic, sulfuric, and the nitric acid. The composed rain damages crop, metal bridges, and the marble monuments. Okay. Waste fact: industrial runoff is highly acidic and kills aquatic life. It must be treated with the base substances before discarding into neutralize the toxicity. Okay. Now here also factory waste. You can read this one. 10 seconds are given. Thank you. So I gave you seconds. Now we will read about a great scientist, the pioneer of Indian chemistry. This was Acharya Trifullah Chandra Rai, known as the father of modern Indian chemistry. His advanced scientific researches and proved that advanced chemical processes have deep historical roots. Founded India's first financial company in 1901. You can see the photo. Okay. Half colored, use the colored almost many were red and blue because the acid and yes. Now the text menacity. Okay. What we have read till now, it is saying that. Okay. Last mind map revision. You can take this photo. Chemical substances acidic होते हैं, neutral होते हैं, bases. Acidic and base react and form neutralization salt. Acidic can be formic salt example. Antacid and quicklime bases example. Bases like indicators. We also read indicators litmus in turmeric, China rose, then phenolphthalein. Olfactory may add the vanilla essence also. Now I wish you a very 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 thank you for attending this class from Steady Point. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Till the next class, I am Shubham signing off from this class. Thank you everyone.